hate this song. The drinks here are too expensive. Why do I even come here?
'Cause I brought you here.
Yeah, I know that because I'm a brain.
And I am a body.
Yeah, I know that too. Ooh, speaking of bodies, here comes one now. Quick, look cool.
How'd I do? Did you like that?
That was, fine. You did fine. It doesn't matter. She's not my type anyway. Enough with the pose. Nice one.
Thanks. What would you like to do now?
I want to sit here and think sad things.
You want to dance?
No, you're not good at that.
Do you want to play pool?
You're not good at that either.
Come on, cheer up. How about this? Look at this. That's cool, huh? You like that?
Closing time! One last call for alcohol, so finish your whiskey and beer and get the fuck out of here!
We should go home instead.
No, another one.
Okay.
Whoa, who taught you how to walk?
It wasn't this difficult earlier.
Almost got it.
Here, let me do it. All right. Now we're getting somewhere. Wait, why are we stopping? Come on, let's go home.
Shh, sleep.
No, we gotta go home, Brain. We gotta go home. We really gotta go home. Brain.
Hello!
Uh-oh.
Is there poop in your pants?
Evening, fellas.
Who invited him?
It's not my fault. He let himself in.
This is embarrassing.
Hey, is this a bad time? I invited some friends. They should be over any.
That's it. This is bad. We gotta go.
I can't do this. This is a new low for us.
I wanted to hang out with you guys hours ago. It's not my fault.
Get to know each other, you two. It's going to be a long drive home.
Wait, you're driving? I don't think that's a good idea.
Yeah, maybe you should listen to your poop, man.
I can't hear you. I'm still thinking about sad stuff.
I can't do this.
You're fine. Hell, you're even better at this drunk.
No, I can't do this. Don't do
He's
this.
gonna do it!
We shouldn't be doing this.
Just relax and take the wheel while I take a quick nap. I just had the weirdest dream. Wait, are we driving? Is there poop in your pants?
Blah.
Hello? Are you okay? Hello?
I'm great, thanks.
Not you. Body. My body.
Oh, he's way dead.
Wait, if he's dead, that means I'm next. Oh no! Well, looks like I'm off to go meet my heavenly body. Here I go. Whee!
I guess that just leaves me. Well, folks, I think we've learned a valuable lesson about drinking and driving. Oh, looks like my friends are here. Thanks for joining us tonight. This has been Poop. I'll see you next time.